Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about limit. So now I want to show you how to answer. So I will put this one goal here. When s approaches to number 0, we put number 0 cone here, number 0 cone here. The integration from 0 to number 0, you got 0. This one you got 0. So we have 0 over 0. So we can use about L'Hospital. That means we need to do first derivative on numerator and denominator. So we have the formula in here. So if we do first derivative of y, so we do first derivative of b, and the value of b we change for t, minus we do first derivative of 8, and the value of 8 we change for t. So this one we do first derivative of s, and the value of s we change for t, minus we do first derivative of number 0, and number 0 we change for t. This one we apply the power rule of derivative, so we have 3s squared. This one, that is about the constant, so you got 0. This one we have number 1. Next, if we put number 0 cone here and here, we have 1 minus 1. This one we have number 0, so we have 0 over 0. Now we can use about L'Hospital. So first derivative of number 1, that is about the constant. This one we have negative sine s, negative negative, we have positive. This one we have 2s. So number 3 and number 2 we have number 6. Next, we have the formula. So this one we can put into 1 over 6 multiplied by sine s over s. When s approaches to number 0, this one we can apply the formula in here, and we have number 1. This is the end. Thank you for watching.